Okay, here's how we test a gas tank sending unit outside of the tank with your meter, your gauge in the dash. So I got the wire that comes out for the sending unit wire. That's a tan wire in the back. So I jumpered that to the tan wire on the back of the fuel gauge. And turn the key on. And then we ground, there's a ground wire on the sending unit too, so we ground that to the ground of the vehicle. And now we raise this up. You'll see that the gas gauge goes up. We go, hard to do with one hand, all the way to full. And it actually never goes to quite that high, but not that high. It's the top of the tank because that's where that thing is. So I had to kind of Mickey Mouse this one because it was from an Impala, so I had to bend the wire, the thing on the float here. You can see it doesn't quite go to empty, but I had it go further down. It just doesn't go, doesn't matter how far down you go. It doesn't quite go to 0 amps. So anyway, that's the trick. Do this before you put it in the tank.